Testing. I had no audio. Well, that freaking sucks. Thank you for testing. I'll start over. Welcome to day 25 of vibe coding on the Steam Deck until we make $1 million. Whew, how long was I with no audio? 2 minutes. Okay, not too bad at least. Someone's calling me. Why am I getting a call? I don't know. So, welcome to day 25. And then the plan for today is basically to continue working on SeanRoselt.com as well as Genipedia. That's it. Nothing too special today. We are just going to be continuing work on these two websites. I think I'm going to be live probably for like 2 hours, maybe 3 hours, maybe longer. We will see. But that's currently the plan that I have here. And then we are starting on my personal website. There's lots to do here. So I have an issue where I was saying that on my main screen, I can actually not see any borders here. Like the background on this looks exactly the same as the background on this. But on my other screens, I can actually see the difference. The one is gray and the other one is white. Now I think it's because my color accuracy is just horrible on this one screen. And that's why I can't actually see it. Maybe I should try and see if I can change it. Let's just test something here quickly. There we go. So if I change the contrast, then I can actually see it. So let me put my contrast on like 75%. There we go. Okay, now it's looking better actually. Yes. Okay. How does this page now look? Since we changed it. Okay, this one still looks fine. Websites still look fine. Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, in that case, I might actually leave it the way it is now. Possibly. Apps, desktop and web apps built for practical. Okay, this should change. Let's start here then. I will delete what we have here. Thank you, Ian. I appreciate it. Okay, let's do this. This is apps that I built that runs on Windows, Android, iOS, Mac OS, and Linux. Desktop and web apps built for practical workflows, utility, and everyday problem solving. Okay. Label ideas, game concepts, and releases focus on fun. Yeah, I don't like the descriptions that it has here. This is not just desktop apps, also mobile apps. Personal and client-facing sites, dashboards, and web tools collected in one showcase. I see the context is also quite full. We're on 79% context. So I think we should actually start a new chat here. Hey Serenity and AdStar. Let's put the chat on. I'm trying to see how I could make this better. I don't like the way this looks or sounds at this point. Let me just double check the phone here as well. Since good old Ian gave me a call here. Scared the hell out of me. Yeah, it seems good. I see some hearts happening in the chat. I can actually give myself hearts as well, which is weird. Okay, let's see what's popping here. Desktop, mobile, and web apps built for practical workflows. Okay, I might just leave it like this for now, even though it's not exactly the way I want it. Let's do then commit and push once this finishes. And we got Zemoki. What's Zemoki? Hey Zimoki, how are you doing? Okay, so today guys, we are just going to be working on two websites. My personal website and Genipedia. And that's basically it, to be honest. I don't think I have too much time. I think maybe I have 2 or 3 hours to be live. Possibly longer, but I think just 2 or 3 hours. Leon. Are you Leon? Oh, Leon! Oh, I get it. Let me check that profile picture out, Leon. Leon, this is the first time I see you live. Or I see you on the stream. If that is you. Let me have a look at your profile picture. It looks like a black baby. Is that you? I don't know. Don't know if this is the same Leon that I think it is. Oh well. Okay, this weekend then commit and push. Oh, it's still busy, but it's fine. Oh, we get this as well. Let's just say here, commit and push all of my code to the remote main branch. I want my local branch to be on the main also. Hello, Sean. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's Sean. He's live 2 times a day. Yes, sir. This is my real account. Ah, I see. This is the one I know. Ghost RSA. So you also have 2 accounts, eh? There's so many people in the chat that have like multiple accounts. And yes, I'm live 2 times a day. Well, 2 times today. I was live this morning as well. For like 2-3 hours while my son was sleeping. And then I have some time now. So I thought I might as well go live again and continue work. That's basically it. And how was the stream today? Is it laggy or is it okay? At least so far, how is it? I can't wait for the day where I can go a whole stream without asking if I'm lagging. Yes, for every app. Okay. Okay, while that's busy going, I'll jump into Genipedia. So I'm not sure how to say it. Are we gonna say Genipedia or Genipedia? I don't know yet. But I did work a bit on this off stream. But basically we have a full... I basically asked the AI to clone the Wikipedia page for Nelson Mandela exactly one-to-one. Now it didn't actually do it. It actually made lots of mistakes. So I did have to iterate on it quite a bit. I probably did like 20 more prompts after the initial creation just to actually get it to look exactly like Wikipedia. And it's still not perfect. Like this drop down as an example doesn't work. And many other things don't work actually. I just fixed this now before the stream. This was also broken, but that's now working. I think we're going to get rid of it. I don't think we need a standard. But in any case. So we got an exact Wikipedia look now for our application. So I think the next step would be then now to start changing it and making it fit the look and stuff that we want on our website. What's this? Why do we have another sidebar? Move. Oh, this is a different sidebar. Main menu and content. Okay, I see. Okay, so I think I need to start off and just clean up the code because it did lots of changes here. So you can see this is the code that it created. Hold on. So it created lots of code here and the code is quite messy. So I think the first step would be to actually just clean up all of this code here. Now I don't know how we're going to do it just yet. But I'm gonna start by making a brand new chat, and then I think we'll say, please clean up all of the CSS and JavaScript. Oh, did I just lose the internet connection? Are we still live? I gotta get my backup internet ready just in case the main one stops working. But it looks like we are good for now. But yeah, I just want to get the backup internet ready in case I drop completely. Okay, so I think I'll start by saying here, please clean up all of the CSS and JavaScript. I don't need to support any old and outdated browsers at all. There's no need for any compatibility CSS or JS. We can also use the latest CSS and JS APIs. Okay, let's start by setting this. Yeah, I think let's just do that and say, so go ahead and modernize all of the code. Maybe not that just yet. Don't change any layout or visuals. The website should keep looking exactly the same. Just improve the code. Okay, let's send it and see what it does. Then we head back to my personal website. Would you like me to delete branch locally? Done. I committed your changes merged into main, push main to origin and left your head. Okay. Would you like me to delete branch locally /remote or open a PR? Delete it and switch me to main branch with the new changes in it. Wat werk je op? Do you mean like the program or what website I'm working on? Or what AI? Because that question could mean a few things. So for the actual projects, I'm currently working on my personal website. I'm busy just improving it a little bit. And then we're also building a genealogy website, genealogy/family tree website. I want it to look similar to Wikipedia, so we are actually trying to replicate Wikipedia right now. And once we have a Wikipedia replica, then we're going to start and build it to basically match what we need for our website. And that's roughly the plan for tonight. Nice, thank you. Ghost is saying that he went to go check my personal website. When did you check it? Because I did a few updates in the past week. So it is a bit different now than what it used to be. Not too much though. I haven't changed that much yet. Okay, let me open up Nelson Mandela's Genie profile so that I can actually compare it with Wikipedia. Okay, there's a few things that we can also remove here probably, which I'll probably start removing soon. few weeks ago. Okay, so if you check it now, there should be differences. Like as an example, the portfolio section now has sub items that says apps, websites, games, libraries, and we also have this section here that's new. And so you could now go to like apps as an example, and it will show all the apps that I have made. Now I haven't added all of my apps, websites, games, and libraries just yet. There's still a few I have to add here, but yeah, it's a work in progress. Okay, I think what should we do next on this? Okay, let's just have a look here. Here we got the component, main.js, portfolio data. Okay, main.js. I still have Delphi Turtle on wishlist. When is it done? So Delphi Turtle is super close to being done. We can actually already release it on Steam, but there's a few more improvements that I want to make. I'm actually planning to have Delphi Turtle done before Monday, but since it's Sunday tomorrow already, I think I might not make it in time, but I am gonna try and still do it. But worst case, end of this month. Yeah, I would say worst case, probably Friday night is when I will be publishing Delphi Turtle. Ooh, so it's close to being finished. Like I said, just a few more improvements that I want to make on it. Okay. I'm gonna close some files here, close others. Okay, let's just have a look here. We go to index. I want to see what we are using here. What libraries. I see. 50 Rand max. No, so it's gonna be, I think, 120 Rand or something like that, if I remember correctly. Nee, dude, Dr. Verwoedse blad. Too late. Guys, drop some likes to waste some liefde for the workaholic. Yes, sir. Drop a like. Yes, I think the price for Delphi Turtle is said to be like 120 Rand or something. I don't know the exact amount, but it's roughly around 100 Rand. I think between 100 and 150 Rand, if I remember correctly. But I will be having regular specials on Steam. Let's just ask a question here. What improvements would you suggest we make on this website? Please check through all of the pages and let me know. Can you give us some information about Delphi Turtle? What would you like to know? Information such as? Definitely not 99% off. I think the highest that you can actually put something on special is like 95%, but most things only go up to 90%. Well, I guess you could put it on 100% off as well, but there is no option for 99%. It's either 100% off, but you have to like ask special permission to put an app or game on 100% off. So then there's only 95 and 90%. what is it used for and what can it help me with. So Delphi Turtle is simply an application that you can use to learn and practice Delphi programming. That's basically it. And you do it via moving a turtle on the screen. That's essentially just it. It is technically a game engine almost, so you can write and do like animations in it or like build a basic game in it as well. But I wouldn't suggest that. Wait, what changes did we make? Okay, let's have a look at the code to see what it actually did here. Okay. I'm happy with that. Happy, happy. Okay. I'll buy it, I promise. Thank you very much. Yeah, right now I'm just trying to figure out what I actually want to do here. I think I need to make sure that it is actually using the full header. That might be one of the first things I check. Um, okay. Okay. Please make sure that the attached header with the main menu sidebar and the appearance sidebar is in the full header.js in the components slash full header.js file, and that and that and and then use that component on all of the people pages. Um, I want, yeah, let's just say that. Let's start there. Let's send it. So, Ghost, um, if my calculations are correct, I think we'll definitely be publishing two applications next week. The one is the calculator, and the other one is the Delphi Turtle app. So two next week. Um, and then I was hoping for two more, but Valve haven't gotten back to me yet, so uh, it won't be next week. So I suspect we're going to be launching another two probably around this time here, second week of June. And those two are going to be the Tic Tac Toe game and the QR code generator. I see we got 14 viewers. Welcome everybody. How's it going? Leon, Mr. Ghost, when last did you program? Like when last did you even write a single line of Delphi code? What even are you doing nowadays? Do you want to share? Have you done anything with AI yet? Or vibe coding? Tell me. Isn't the enhanced games starting in like an hour from now? Or is it starting Monday? Don't remember. JMD says heya. Well, heya back to you. How are you doing? Have you done any vibe coding? Any cool projects? Let's have a look here. So these are the recommendations that it gave me. The high priority fixes. Remove the duplicate ID contact inside the contact section to avoid broken anchors accessibility. Oh, I didn't even know about that. Apparently we have multiple of the same. Oh, there I see it. Okay. Well, let's start. I'll take a screenshot of this one. Wait. Contact form. Replace the placeholder alert with a working handler, serverless endpoint, netlify form space, or mail to fallback. Make the button a real submit and validate input server side. See form in. What does it currently do? So if I type in here Sean Roselt, let's just say send message. Oh, I haven't done this yet. How long has it been like this? I didn't even know. I have not had time to finish this yet. Sorry, email me on. Wow. That's crazy. I don't even remember this. I must have added this pop-up and this contact form like 6 years ago or even longer. And I thought I finished it and I never actually finished it. And I just put this pop-up here. Dang, that's so crazy. Okay. Okay. Let's just jump in here. I will give it a screenshot of this and say, do it. Okay. Then I'll take a screenshot of the contact form. And I'll do a mail to for now. Do a mail to. Yeah. JMD says, yes, I am AI pulled. Nice. Are you building anything cool right now? Anything you want to share? Okay, missing meta social tags. Add meta description, canonical, open graph, and Twitter card tags on the home page and every subpage. Improves share previews and SEO. Okay, sure. We can do that. So I send that. I say do it. Yes, that's sent. Then add rel on external links. Add for every target social links. Okay. Let's do this. We'll say why. What does this do for us? Explain it. Okay. Image alt text. Provide meaningful alt text for images. Headshot in. Okay, let's do that. So I'll select this. I'll paste it. I'll say do it. Okay, accessibility. Skip, link, and nav role. Add a visible skip to content link and set role navigation. Reduce motion preference. Focus styles and keyboard. Announce dynamic hero text. The typed hero string should have an accessible fallback. Nah. Performance. Nah. Image formats. Nah. Client-side GitHub API. The GitHub stars loop in main.js can hit rate limits. Cache service. Nah. Security and privacy. Iframe sandboxing review logic in adding allows same origin when allow scripts is present reduces isolation. Evaluate risk and prefers safer defaults for untrusted content. CSP and analytics consent. Add a content security policy and a cookie analytics consent banner. Okay. Structured data and sitemap. Made some stuff on GitHub. J codes more. Okay, let me go have a look. I'm busy opening it. Structured data and sitemap. Add JSON LD and publish. Okay, now server side, server render critical content. Now content and UX. So case studies, project pages. Add lightweight project detail pages or modal pages with screenshots, outcomes, and links. Okay. Tighten hero copy and add a clear primitive me. Now favicon and icons. Provide an ISO and PNG. Currently a JPEG. Now code maintainability. Bold step. Add a minimal. Suggested next steps. Fix duplicate. Okay. Let's see how it's doing. Okay, that's the metadata that it's adding. Don't know what that's adding. Cool. Let's have a look. Okay, so it already did the mail to apparently. So that we should see somewhere here. I was adding the alt text. That's what it's doing here. Making lots of changes here. And here we got the mail to. Okay, I see. Oh, the AI is quick tonight. I'm gonna add canonical. Next, I can add rel on all external links. Okay, going too quick. Okay, here's why adding to links matter. Security. No opener prevents the newly opened page from getting a window.opener reference to your page, blocking tab napping or other remote scripts from changing the original page. Okay. Privacy. No referrer prevents the browser from sending the referrer header to the external site, so you don't leak full URLs or query. I see. Okay, don't care about that. I need to make sure we don't break stuff after all of these changes. If you appreciate this man's dedication, drop some likes. Thank you, Ian. I appreciate it. Okay. J codes more. Let me have a look at what you got here. Okay, so doing lots of AI stuff, I see. Discord for AI, Slack for AI, Claude Search, some plugins, AI website cloner. Okay, looks interesting. I see you got a cool thing here, AI website cloner template. 15k stars, very nice. Clone any website with one command using AI coding agents. Oh, that's cool. So basically what you are advertising with that repo is what I just did with mine right here. I cloned the WordPress website. I didn't need anything though. I just asked the AI to basically clone it, and it did an exact clone for me. But it looks very interesting. I'm gonna check it out right now. A reusable template for reverse engineering any website into a clean, modern Next.js codebase. Point it at a URL, run clone website, and your AI agent will inspect the site, extract design tokens and assets, write component specs, and dispatch parallel builders. Oh, so you built a skill for this. Very cool. That's smart. I think I should build the same as well, because I do clone websites quite regularly, but I don't use Next.js, so your script won't work for me. But I love the idea. I love the idea behind it. Yeah, I think I should make one that works with Roselt.js. So I built my own framework called Roselt.js. I'm a big fan of your script, of your template repo here. So I think I'll do the same, but for my framework. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, this is very cool. Is there a quick way for me to see the skill file that you have? Where can I find that skill file? Let me just check the repo here so I can see it. Oh no, it's my internet off. No, it seems like it's fine. Are we live? I don't even know if we're live. Are we live? Seems like it. Yeah, it looks like we are still live. Sweet. Yes, in the repo. So, wait, hold on. Yeah, a lot of people have been using it to convert their Framer and Webflow websites to Next.js. Oh, I see. So they could get out of vendor lock-in. Yeah, it's in the repo. Yeah, I will definitely have a look at your repo. Looks super interesting. I think I'm definitely gonna make my own repo that's just like yours, but not Next.js though. That's super cool. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate it. This must be the coolest share I've gotten from someone in the chat. Is the share you just shared with me? Your share is useless to me, but the idea behind it is super useful to me. So I love it. Thank you very much. Nice, yeah. And I can see it has helped many people. I mean, 16k stars means that many people are like loving it. So yeah. Okay. What has it done? So something is not lacquer here. Oh my word, this is being duplicated now. What's on earth is happening? Okay. Now things are a little broken. Please fix it. Like, um, like, like the move to sidebar doesn't work for main menu. Or appearance. Also, yeah, let's just start there. Get the site menu to work. So use Copilot with GPT 5.4 mainly. So I actually use Copilot with GPT 5 Mini mainly, just because Mini is free. But for what I'm doing right now, I'm using GPT 5.4. But my primary model is actually GPT 5 Mini. I'll show you this page. Here we go. This is my website's main page. I basically cloned Wikipedia's main page. This was all done using GPT-5 Mini, and then I obviously modified it again. So yeah, most of the stuff I built is just using GPT-5 Mini, and then if I do struggle, I would then go up to GPT 5.4 Mini, and if I still struggle, then I go up to GPT 5 Mini. 5.4 Mini, I mean. Yeah. We just finished 2 comp games with AdStar, but we lost, man. Ah, I see. AdStar, how was it? How was the scoreboard? How so? How was it interesting? And bro, I aim on his head, but it's not connecting like a... Yeah, so it takes time getting used to it. In CS, even if you are aiming on someone's head, it won't always hit the head. Especially if you like are moving or crouching or something while shooting. But even if you stand still, it will sometimes still not hit. And that's just how CS works. Oh no, it's even more broken now. What on earth am I looking at? Oh my word. Let's attach this. Uh, it's it's still extremely broken. Please fix. Don't stop until it's fully fixed. Are you negative 2k? I am indeed negative 2k. We have not made any money yet. We have just spent money. But I'm hoping that from next month we'll start making some money. Yeah, but the thing is, I don't like is that new update where it throws my whole mag away when reloading. I see. I haven't really played yet since that update. So I haven't fully experienced it just yet. And JMD, the reason why we are negative already is because I had to buy GitHub Copilot, I had to buy hosting, domains, uh, developer accounts, Steam, publishing, and all that. So yeah, tell it to make no mistakes. Okay, interesting. I will definitely try that. Thank you very much. So would you say on this prompt here, where I said it's extremely broken, please fix, don't stop until it's fully fixed, then you say I should have added at the end, don't make any mistakes. Is that what you are saying? What I should have said there. And we got Politica Denny. Hello. Hello back to you. I probably butchered that name. Not sure how to say it at all, but yeah. What AI and app are you using for coding? So I am using Visual Studio Code and I am using GitHub Copilot. I do plan to eventually get myself Codex as well as Claude Code. But right now we have not made any money yet, just negative. So I cannot afford to get that right now. But once we get positive, then we will be purchasing codecs and short code. It's a me, but specific prompts helps. Okay. I can't say that I know the meme. Tell it to make no mistakes. What do you use? What do all of you guys use? What is your primary like AI and model that you use? Have you seen those videos of people vibe coding when they like make me $1 million app, make no mistakes? I have not seen it, to be honest. I'm using Codex, but I like your app. Is it better? Um, I don't know, to be honest, if it's better or not better. Uh, I just use this because I have been using this for many years and I'm used to it. So yeah, I didn't choose this because it's necessarily the best. I chose it because it's what I knew. Okay. I'm changing jobs next month. I will be switching to Cursor. Okay. I'm also very keen to try out Cursor. But again, it's the same reason. It costs money and I don't want to get it right now. Can't afford it. Claude Max with Stablia Orca open source. Okay. I don't know what this is, but very cool. Maybe I should look it up. Give me a second. I'm gonna look it up. Okay, Orca is a next-gen ADE for working with a fleet of parallel agents. Okay, that sounds interesting. Uh, the app that you are using is free. Yeah, it's free. You can get a ton of usage with just the $20 cursor plan. Good to know. AMD. Composer 2.5 on cursor is really good. Yeah, so I did I download cursor? I think I did. No? No, I downloaded Z, not cursor. But I did have a look at cursor and I really do want to try it. It's one of my goals for next month is to keep cursor a go. Okay. This is not working. Also, it's duplicating things in here. Let's start here. Uh, there are many things being duplicated in the attached thing. Please check why it's duplicated and fix it. Also, if you click the move to sidebar button, then it's not really working the way it's supposed to work. Please fix that also. Where did you get it? I want to try it. So I just simply got it from the KDE Discover store. So I went here, I searched for VS Code, and I just get it. I'll type the name here. I'm just using normal Visual Studio Code. It's completely free and open source. Okay. The duplication is now concrete. The appearance dropdown contains both the shared full header panel and a second offline injected controls block. What? I'm tracing exactly where that extra block is created, and then I'll patch the shared offline interaction so the sidebar moves works against a single source of truth. The cause identified. Mandela Offline still injects its own offline appearance controls and also runs its own pinnable element logic against the same vector appearance. Okay. There's one more overlap to eliminate. Mandela's offline script is also binding generic handlers across the whole page, so it can still interfere with the shared header even after the visual duplication is gone. Okay, sure. And you can use GPT 5.4 for free. No, so that's not free. You have to pay for GPT 5.4. You do get some free ones, like you get GPT-5 Mini as free, and some other ones as well. But they are changing that from next month. So from next month, I don't know which ones will be free and which ones won't be free. But they are changing it from next month. Like from June 1, it's changing. Okay, I have this surface narrowed to one file. It's still now treating the shared full header as if it were the legacy snapshot shell. I'm patching that overlap now so the offline page stops injecting duplicate appearance controls and stop hijacking the... Okay, the overlap patch is in. I'm validating the exact failure mode. Reload the live, confirm the duplicate offline controls are gone from the shared appearance dropdown. The first validation passed cleanly. After reload, there are 0 offline appearance blocks inside the shared header. The appearance dropdown now contains exactly the text. Okay. Patch the Mandela offline runtime so it no longer injects a second appearance panel or manages the shared headers, main menu appearance, pin actions, full header is present. When full header is present. Okay. Just to double check. Full header.js must always be used. There should never be a second version or something like that. It's just full header always for this page, regardless of whether we're online or offline. Let's send that through. At stars saying you can use codecs in here as well. Yeah, either by terminal panel or codecs add-on. Yeah, exactly. You can also use Claude Code and many others in here. It's not just limited to the built-in Copilot. It has quite a range of different extensions that you can install for different things. Like here you can see I have the codecs extension. And there's many others as well. It's actually really nice the way Visual Studio Code is doing it, because it's the same UI regardless of what model or extension you use. So therefore, no matter what you use, whether it's Claude Code or Codex or GitHub Copilot, the UI stays the same, and I do quite like that. The Visual Studio Code team is also quite active, and if you report an issue or make a feature request, they do actually look at that, which is nice. So top left, you go to help. Help. It doesn't work now for some reason. None of my... What's happening? Hello? Well, my menu items is not working. But normally you go to help and then there's like a submit issue button there. Don't know why it's not working though. Normally it works. Now let's go have a look so long and see what files it actually created here. Wikipedia. Okay. Okay. Don't need that. Okay, that's for Nelson capture. Nelson offline. Okay, Wikipedia shell. Why do we have this Wikipedia shell? Sure. 11. Still have many code in here. That's probably also not actually needed anymore. What on earth is this? Client.js, vector, feature, language. Yeah, we definitely have to do lots of cleanup work in here. But that's fine. We'll do it. I first want to get the header to actually work now. Because the header is a bit broken. Okay, that's... Nope, still broken. Still very much broken. Maybe we should have the appearance section be like a sub-component. So then it's separate from the header. That's something we could maybe do. The legacy shell is only dead snapshot Chrome now, not active behavior. I'm removing it in place and then verify there are no legacy vector shell markers left. Sure. Does this work?
South Africa.
Ah, it works.
Is located
Very soft though, but it works. I see we got 16 viewers. Welcome everybody. I checked my YouTube stats yesterday or this morning, and I saw that 18 viewers was the most I've ever had on a live stream. So if we can get 3 more viewers that's watching this, then we'll have a new all-time like record for how many viewers are currently online and watching. So that'll be cool. JMD said that the $20 cursor plan gets you a ton of usage. Isn't that what you also have, AdStar? Do you also have the $20 plan? Oh, this is the cursor plan, not the Claude Code one. I thought you said Claude Code. Or did someone else say that, Topia? Don't know. Let me go look at the cursor plans actually. Let me quickly do that. Cursor pricing. So Jay, you got the donate button. So no, yes and no. So this, what you see here is actually just Wikipedia right now. So that button there, it comes from Wikipedia. If I go to Wikipedia, you'll see it has the donate button. I haven't actually made my page yet. I'm just trying to duplicate the exact Wikipedia page right now. And once I have the Wikipedia page exactly the same, then I will start modifying it and making it look the way I want it to look. But I want Wikipedia as a base to build on. I have Codex $20. Just ChatGPT and Claude Code, yeah. Okay. Okay, so individual, $20 pro. Extended limits on agent. Yeah, so how much is this? Actually, we are going to be using my own calculator to convert the prices. This is my calculator. I built it. Let's go to the currency converter. And we'll say here South African Rand. And we need to convert $20. Yes, that's quite expensive though. I'm not willing to pay this much per month for Cursor right now. It's too expensive. So I could say give you $20 to try Cursor. Like a way to donate to this thing. Well, if you're willing to do that, I would really appreciate that. Then I'll definitely try Cursor out if you're willing to give me $20 for that. I don't have a way to donate right now though, but I could set one up fairly quickly because there is that GitHub sponsors. So we could technically do it through GitHub sponsors actually. But that would be super cool, JMD. Let me quickly see if I can get GitHub sponsors set up. That might be worth investigating. I'm logging in right now. So I have to accept on my phone. Log in. I have very bad internet connection. So I have a hotspot from my phone. And I've basically... So I have two devices for internet. One is a dedicated router and one is my broken phone. I dropped my phone like 15 days ago in like live on stream, and so it's broken now. So I've actually taped the one router and my phone to the top of my window here, and therefore I get the best signal. I got them all. That's awesome. Okay, I am quickly gonna try and see if I can set up dub sponsors. Would that work, JMD? And are you sure? Where are you from, JMD? Is there anything you want me to do for you if you do it? A short bio. Yes, US. Okay, if you want to get a $20 cursor and try Composer, I think you would like it. But you can do whatever you want with it. I think I will definitely try Cursor out. If you say it's good, I will trust that and I'll try it. I'm keen for that. So let's just have a look here. So this one, individual $20 per month for Cursor. This one. I'm willing to give this one a go. Get Pro. Yeah. Definitely keen for that. Featured work. I'm busy setting up the GitHub sponsors page right now. But we need to do some prompts here in the meantime as well. Okay, that's working again. Oh wait, we're on the wrong website. Still not working. Ah, damn it. Why did it break it, man? Okay. Let's start on the main menu, Ryan. The main menu, when I click on the move to sidebar button, it doesn't move it to the sidebar anymore. It should be on the far most left and actually be a sidebar. Right now it just stays as a drop down. I want to also see how it is, then I'll decide. I want to switch from codex to cursor maybe. Well, if we do get it, thanks to JMD, then I'm willing to do and try whatever you want also add star. Then you can also see if you like it. Let's have a look here. I just read it take a few days to get GitHub sponsor approved. Oh, I see. Do you have any other payment method? Hey Sean, the new site is looking good. Thank you very much. Well, it depends. What new site are you referring to? Because we built a few new sites, to be honest. I'll check now for you, JMD. Just give me a second. Your wiki. Thank you. So I'm currently just busy cloning the Wikipedia one yet. So I haven't actually made it the way I wanted to look just yet. Like I said, currently it's just cloning Wikipedia, to be honest. I have made my own homepage already. I can show you that. So this is my homepage, which I've made. This was made using GPT-5 Mini. This model right here. We're not fully finished yet. I do still have to implement the multiple languages, and also the mobile support needs some work. So I'm not fully finished yet. Oh yeah, we also did the terms of use and the privacy policy one. JMD, I'm almost ready. I'm just quickly going through the GitHub pages stuff still. And then I'll check for you for a different payment method as well. Yes, I'm still busy checking, guys. Sorry. Looking good. Thank you very much. I see the prompt is finished. Let's go have a look at that prompt. So if I do click here, click there, it's still not working. Why? Okay, let's. Okay, I'm gonna say here. Oh, but I used the wrong model. No, I didn't. Please go check how the main menu sidebar looks when it's moved to the sidebar on this link. I need mine to be exactly the same. It looks like my GitHub sponsors page is actually live, JMD. It does appear at least like it is. I'm quickly double checking. Yeah, I think it might be live. I'm not 100% sure just yet. But if you go to that link, you see a sponsor like button somewhere. Enable the sponsor button. Oh, I have to enable it. Wait. Let me check here. Uh, so it says next steps. Here are some ways you can grow your sponsorship. Enable the sponsor button. The sponsor button is now live on Sean Roselt's user page. You can also enable the sponsor button on all Sean Roselt's repositories by creating and enabling a Git funding file. Okay. Okay. Creating a commit with multiple authors. Yep, I see it. Ah, that's cool. Okay. I'm still busy reading about GitHub sponsors. Check exactly how it works. But it seems like this could be it. Oh, I can also embed it into places. That's cool. Like embed it as an iframe, it seems like. Send. Let me know if you got it. I will check now. Thank you very much, JMD. I super appreciate it. You are a legend. I'm so excited right now. Let's see how to install Cursor. Oh, download, of course. Download for Linux. There we go. App image. Okay, do the donators need a GitHub account? They will need a GitHub account, I'm guessing. Since you do a sponsor via GitHub. I could be wrong, maybe JMD knows better. But I would think that you need a GitHub account to do it. It was actually really easy to set up the GitHub sponsors. I opened the GitHub sponsors to register to it, and it gave me some fields to fill in. And I actually just opened up Copilot on the side, and I actually asked Copilot to fill in all the fields for me, and it filled in all the fields. And I basically clicked submit, and then a few seconds later it said, boom, I was approved, and then I could make it live. And it was literally as simple as that. Okay, so it's sending a text to my phone, but it doesn't say what number. That's not very useful. That's really not useful. I don't see an SMS. There's a big chance I won't get one either because I have so bad signal here. Wait, let me just check my prompt first. It's still busy going. Sign in a different way. Okay, so I can do it via email. Looks like. Okay, I can see the email. You have a new private $20 one-time sponsor on GitHub Sponsors. J codes more. Your first sponsorship. Now that you've received your first sponsorship, you will be eligible for payouts after the 60-day probation period completes. Okay, so I have to wait 60 days before I can actually get the money, it seems. Your payouts are processed manually. For manual payout inquiries, please reach out to support. You can see your current balance in the payouts page. So let's go there. Your GitHub sponsors page, sponsors profile is live. I don't see the email that I actually wanted to get here. Oh gosh, someone is spamming me here. Lots of spam email. Nice. I think you do. Yes, nice. Well, I definitely have it. JMD, thank you very much. My email client does tell me that this is most likely a scam. The email from GitHub telling me that you sponsored me, which is quite funny. But I definitely have it here. It says it'll only be paid out after 60 days, but you definitely sent it, so I think I'll probably go ahead and buy it. I have to check with my wife first, but I will definitely get it. Thank you very much. Because at least I know the money will come in. I still have to figure out how to actually get to my backend. It's so difficult with this slow internet as well because I open up a page and then I wait and I wait and I wait. And by the time it eventually opens, then I realize that I'm actually on the wrong page. All good, no stress either way. Thank you very much. I'm already very excited, so yeah, thank you very much. I'll give it a good go. So, on Cursor, would you say then I should give the... let's go up here. Where was it? Just trying to find it. So much messages here. The Composer 2.5, is that the model you say I should give a go? Please click on two shapes that are identical. I'm busy doing some captchas here on the side. Okay, this prompt is still busy going as well. Yeah, I would try that first to see if you like it. It's the newest model. Okay. And in your opinion, how does it compare to like GPT 5.5 or Claude Opus 4.7? I'm guessing it's not as good as that, or how is it in your opinion? Like if you were to have to compare it to a GPT model, what would be the model that compares the most to it? Like, would you say it's equal to, let's say, maybe GPT 5.2 as an example, or what? The three models that I know the best is basically GPT-5 Mini, GPT 5.4, and GPT 5.4 Mini. So if you can say how it compares to GPT 5.4, that would also give me a good indication of like how it is. Okay. Um, let's go to pricing again. I'm quickly gonna move this off screen, just to check it out. If I try to like check out, uh, roughly GPT 5.3 codecs and way fast. Okay, that sounds good. So why would you say it's not like on par with GPT 5.4? I'm gonna be honest, I have not tried GPT 5.3 codecs yet, so I don't know how it is. Um, I've I've done GPT 5.2 and I've done GPT 5.1 a bit, but yeah, it's mostly been GPT 5.4 or just GPT 5 for me. Okay. I technically need to like just check with my wife first before I buy it, because the payout is only in 60 days, but I'm pretty sure she'll be okay with it. So I'm gonna purchase it right now, JMD. I'll throw it onto the good old credit card, and then in 60 days I should get the money from you. So thank you very much for that. Better to try it out because everyone has a slightly different opinion on it. Okay. And just checking, does it also have like vision and all that like GPT? So could I like paste in a photo and it would understand that? And could I give it like a link to a website and tell it to basically clone that website? And would it be able to do that? If you have another payment method I can send instant, let me know. Geez, JMD, you are so kind. Uh, are you sure, JMD? I don't know. Hold on. I can well, hold on. Let me see what I can do. Yes, it has vision and everything. Okay, that's very cool. I'm so excited. uh, I should be doing prompts here, but I gotta sort this out. I'm keen to use cursor. Give it a proper go. I'm quickly busy checking on my phone. Trying to read the chat from here, but I'm so blind I can barely see it. I'll be there soon to read it. JMD, are you able to make like international payments like to a normal bank account? Because if that works, then we can do that. Astro Lico says, Sean finally making money. Yippee. Yeah. Well, it's not really making money. I'm going to be purchasing Cursor with it. Thanks to JMD. This guy's a legend. JMD489. He also made a very cool project. So JMD has made like a template for AIs that you can use to clone any website into Next.js. Maybe I can show it here. Let's bring it over. Doesn't want to. Hello? There we go. So JMD actually made this, which is super cool. It's like a skill that you can give to an AI that clones it to a Next.js site. Now, it's pretty useless to me because I don't use Next.js, but the idea behind it is very cool. I think in some video, we'll actually try and make the same thing, but not for Next.js, for my own framework. That'll be super helpful, I think. This prompt is also done. Let's quickly give it a test and see if it works. So I go to settings. It's still broken. Why? Okay, let me just check here. Uh, you must make a website that tracks your stream and put JMD in a Hall of Fame. That would be fun to do, I think. You can click the demo. First donation. We'll check if transfer possible. Okay, give me 1 second. I like that idea, Astro. Um, I am almost ready. Sorry, guys. I'll be right there. Ooh, we'll check if transfer possible. Okay. I have no idea if this is going to work, JMD, but I might have something that might work. I'm busy just checking it my side first. Okay, this won't work. What? We'll check. Do you have any suggestions, JMD? I'm almost back. Can't see that far. International is stuff. I have PayPal. I have PayPal as well. Let me check PayPal. I'm gonna just log into PayPal quickly. I don't have crypto though. But I'm quickly logging into PayPal. I haven't been on PayPal in many years, so just give me a second. Okay, let's test this quickly as well. It's still not working. Okay. Now the hide button on the main menu. Hide button on the main menu sidebar doesn't work. Please fix it. And then I'll attach it like maybe so. Send. Okay, I think PayPal might actually work. I just have to figure out how it works, but I am logged in now. So just give me a second to figure out now. My internet is quite slow. I'm running like a 3 megabit per second line, so pages take a while to load. Okay, so there's a section here. There's a section here that says send/request, and if I go there, then it says enter name, username, email, mobile. So I guess I'll need one of those four ones. Maybe your username. That's starting to actually work. There we go, finally. It's not looking correct yet, but it's actually working. Okay, now also fix the appearance sidebar. It's also currently like a drop down instead of actual sidebar. pricing. Yeah, so JMD, I'm ready. If you could give me your username, then that might work. I got your username. Perfect. I am doing it right now. You'll see a request from Sean Roselt. If anyone else is requesting it now, just know it's not me. Uh, I'm still busy figuring it out. Just give me a second. Or maybe I can give you my username. That might be better. Hello, Gordon. How are you doing? Enjoy your stream. Good night. Are you heading to bed now? Okay, so JMD, this is my username. Maybe that's better. Sean, how was the new YouTube channel I sent about the videos on Borland, etc.? So I actually know about that channel. I've been watching it basically since almost the first video that they published on those history of different ones, and I love it. I saw the Borland one as soon as it came out. I haven't watched the Arch Linux one yet, but I did see it. I was planning to actually watch it tonight, just before I go to bed. But yeah, I love that channel, Gordon. Big fan, big fan. Yep, off to bed, cheers. Thanks, Gordon, for chatting and watching. Cheerio. And I hope you had a good birthday, by the way. It's Gordon's birthday. Last night on the stream, he basically said it's his birthday today, and that he wishes I stay live until 1 o'clock in the morning, and so I did. Good night, Gordon. I wish you the best. That works sent. Thank you, JMD. I will check it right now. I was still watching, but cheers, guys, for real now. Goodbye, AdStar. Appreciate you. Bye bye. There we go. Thank you very much, JMD. I can see your full name also here. I won't say your full name though, unless you don't mind, but I can see it here. $20. Thank you very much. That's so cool. You're so generous. I appreciate it. Is there anything you want me to do for you, JMD? Anything, you name it. I think I... Okay, let's get cursor. Actually, it's quite late already. Try out Composer 2.5. I will definitely try it out. I need to connect my bank account and install cursor still. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. I'm trying to think if I should do it right now or if I should go to bed and do an early stream when I wake up and then we focus on it in the morning. Let me just quickly see if this prompt worked in the meantime. Move the sidebar. Okay. That button doesn't work. Hello. Oh, it's already in the sidebar. Oh, look at that. Okay. It's not looking the way it's supposed to look just yet, but it's there. Enjoy, man. Thank you. I will definitely enjoy it. Especially considering that from next month, GitHub Copilot is changing their pricing structure and plans. So I am currently just barely making it through the month with my current GitHub Copilot. But from next month, I don't think I'll be able to make it through 1 week with the new pricing changes. So I was actually worried a bit about next month. So giving me the opportunity to try out Cursor next month is going to be, it will help a lot. Thank you. Let's see here. I think let's maybe just get Cursor so long. So download. We get the app image, x64. Also, my nose is so closed. I can't breathe at all. Give me 1 second. I have to blow my nose or try to. Hello, Ghost. How are you doing? How do things work here? What do you mean, how do things work here? So, we just vibe code. That's basically it. We vibe code here. We give AI a prompt and it writes the code for us. And that's basically it. I'm planning to eventually write random software, games, apps, websites. Whatever someone requests in the comments is something I plan to actually make in the future. So the idea that I have with future videos is that someone puts in a request in the comments, and then if I like the request, then I'll make a dedicated stream where we try to develop that suggestion for that person. But only later. Okay, I think we have the money now, and I'm about to purchase Cursor. Lyk soos my ma met daai brille. Well, this is women's glasses, so you know my hair is also quite long, as you can see, because my wife uh can't cut hair and she doesn't have time to cut hair, and I obviously can't cut my own hair, so thus I'm just stuck with this hair. But I was thinking that I would try and cut it maybe tomorrow actually. So we'll see how tomorrow goes if I have time, and then maybe I'll try and cut it. We'll see how it goes. I usually cut my hair like once a year. Uh, then my wife does it, but she doesn't cut it like fully. Okay, so we got cursor. Let's jump here. Go to downloads, and we should have it here. Cursor. There we go. I'll copy it. I'll go to documents. We'll put it right here. We'll rename it to just cursor. We open it. Continue. Okay, looks like it's opening. Yeah, there we go. Cursor, everybody! Sean, you know my mother has been cutting my hair from when I was like 3 or something. We calculated we probably saved 10k rand from haircuts. Wow, that's crazy. That's really crazy. Okay, plugins give your agents imported context. Okay, I'll skip the plugins for now. JMD, are you still here? We got cursor, buddy. Thank you very much. Okay, now I need to figure out how cursor works, right? Okay, so window layout, there's an editor and there's an agent mode. I guess we choose the agent mode, right? That would make the most sense, I guess. Okay, wait. I think we should do this tomorrow, right? And dedicate the stream to figuring out cursor and playing with it. But I do want to do one prompt, so... Okay, so it looks like I don't have access to choose a model. I just have auto. Editor mode, okay? So I'll do editor mode. Let's just start here. We say hello. Hello. Thought briefly. Hello. How can I help you today? Hello? Thank JMD for me. Turn off auto. Okay. So if I turn off auto. There we go. Okay. What does it say? Thanks JMD from me on their behalf. I see. And it gives you options for models. Will you please release the calc in Discover? The calculator, yes, I do plan to do that. If you want, I can actually release the calculator in Discover already. I don't have to wait until 27 for that. Serenity, do you want me to try and release the calculator for you like before 27? Because I could technically do it already. Well, I have to figure out how first, but I'm basically ready to do that. So maybe we'll try and do that one of these 3 days, either tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday, depending on how my days are. Okay. Okay, so here we got Composer, perfect, GPT 5.5, Codex 5.3, Sonnet 4.6. Okay, I didn't know that if you purchase Cursor, that you also get GPT and Codex models. My wife says I'm loud. She says I'm speaking too loud. Let's just type here, sorry to her. So she is awake still. And then there's a max mode. What does max mode do? Maxes out context windows and tool calls for advanced users that are cost insensitive. Okay. I'm guessing I don't want that. Okay, Composer. Fast. I can edit it and put fast off. Okay. What's the difference between having fast on and fast off? I had to do the mat B by hand. I see. I needed the calculator just now and didn't have one. So what you have? You have the browser version at least. So JMD, what's the difference between having fast on and fast off? I know it says faster speeds, but is there any difference in terms of like quality? Fast is fast. Well, yeah, but I mean, like, does it give any benefit to turn it off? Like, does it reason any better? As an example, if I put fast off, I keep fast on. Okay, I'll keep it on as well. I'm thinking now, what shall we make? I want to do one test actually. Um, come on, I want to do one test at least. Let's just see what I can do. Let's open a folder, right? What do we do? What do we do? It's a bit cheaper with fast off, but fast on is better. Okay. Uh, is there something we can do on this website maybe? We haven't done yet. Apps. We've got apps, we've got websites, we've got games, we've got libraries. Am I building anything else? There was something that I wanted to build like a day or two ago. What was it? I think it was an extension for VS Code, but now I don't even remember what the extension was. What was it? Come on. Does anyone have any ideas what we should do as a test at least? I don't have any project like fully ready right now to like make something yet. But I'm looking for something. Actually, let's open up. Why not? I'm busy opening up a project. I have an idea. I'm just preparing it. Okay. I'm opening up YouTube bot, FAQ bot. It's a bit cheaper with Fastway. Okay, I have my Genipedia website open here. Okay. Let's just see where I left off here, right? Cheers, Sean. Cheers, Serenity. Okay, so I say keep here. Perfect. Is there a way to open up the website here? Like how I can with VS Code. Open browser. There we go. Okay. How do I open this file in the browser? I could say copy path, I guess. And we could do file. Okay, there we go. We have this open. Why is it so big? Oh, it has a capture area screenshot. Okay, perfect. I can change the zoom. Perfect. So let's do the mobile UI, I think, for this one with Composer. So we'll go to mobile, right? And I'll say here, when we're on mobile UI, wait, is there a way to share this? Is there a way to share this web page with the agent, like how you can in VS Code? Doesn't seem like it. I can select an area, which is the same, but I can't share it. Okay, it's fine. we'll select this one here. Oh, damn, how do I select it? Okay. When on mobile UI, then the middle logo should move to the top next to Genipedia in the mini header. It should show next to the text on the left side. Well, you can add the file or take a screenshot. Okay. So what I want to do is, if you go to mobile, then this logo here, you guys can't see it properly. Let's move this here. So what I want is, if you go to mobile, then this logo should move out of here and move into the header section. Okay. So when we're on mobile UI, then the middle logo should actually disappear. Let's do that first. Disappear. And the surnames should go into a grid view. Yeah, let's do that. So on mobile, this should disappear, the logo, and then these surnames should go into like a grid. So this would be my first ever prompt on Composer 2.5. Bring your VS Code setup to cursor. Import your settings and extensions. Oh, that's very cool. Okay. Let's send it. Okay, there we go, guys. Composer 2.5. Thanks to Mr. JMD. Okay. I'll inspect the layout and styles for the logo and surname so we can hide the middle logo on mobile. Oh, I forgot to attach it. But it's fine. Or maybe it's not fine. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I do like this, where it's showing me the actual code in the chat. That's pretty cool. So Copilot doesn't show me the code in the chat. I have to physically go and check the changes. Oh, it's done. Whoa, that's quick. That was very quick. If I had to do this same prompt in Copilot, it would still have been busy. Wow, okay. And it works. Okay. Why is it so big though? Oh, the zoom is broken. Did you see it? It was 80%, but not actually showing on 80%. 90. Okay, that's very cool. It was pretty much exactly what I had in mind. Ah, very nice, very nice. Okay. Let's do one more. When we're on the mobile UI, then the logo should appear on the left side of the attached text, and the text should be left aligned to the logo. Overall, it should still be centered. Okay, let's try that. Cheers, Astro. Message me when you live tomorrow morning. I will do so. Have fun with your new toy. I will definitely do so. Yeah, it's blazing fast. I was quite surprised. Sometimes for like even basic things on Copilot, I sometimes wait like half an hour for a response from GPT-5 Mini. Like even if I do something simple like change the color of this button to green, right? Something as simple as that might sometimes take up to half an hour to actually get a response from GPT-5 Mini. Like at that point, I might as well manually go change it myself, you know, if it takes so long. But yeah, it sometimes just does. There we go. Yeah, the zoom is a bit broken on cursor, but it's fine. Oh, that's so cool. The free genealogy encyclopedia. Okay, let's do one more prompt here. If this text can't fit on one line, then remove the text. So that it just says free genealogy encyclopedia. Makes the experience way better. Yep, that's the biggest thing about this model. You can stay in flow state since it does the work in a few seconds. Yeah. So if you watch some of my previous videos, there are like instances where I have like 20 different prompts that are busy queuing in like 5 different projects because I have to wait for them to finish. And so therefore I'm working on like 5 different things at the same time, and I keep queuing prompts because I have to wait for the previous ones to finish. And because I work like that, I kind of forget sometimes what exactly the prompts were and what I was doing. Like right there, it's already finished. That's so crazy. Wow. It removed my entire thing. Okay, so that did not work. My entire header is now gone. Hello? Okay, so the next question then is, how do I revert? Oh, there we go. I think this is revert, right? Fork chat. Okay, discard all changes. Okay, let me first copy this. Oh, I can click on it and edit it. Okay. If this text can't fit on one line, then remove the text. Keep everything the same. Just remove the so that hopefully it fits on one line now. If it still doesn't, that's fine. Let's send that through. I'll say revert. Hello! How much usage is there on the $20 plan? That's something you're gonna have to ask JMD because I literally just bought it. So, well, JMD bought it, technically. So I have not used it. This is like my third ever prompt on Cursor. Like, that's it. I'm brand new to it. Ha ha ha. Sometimes it takes a bit more specificity with Composer 2.5. Okay. Okay, so it didn't do it though. Let's try again. I will discard. It will say here. Okay. When we go. Oh, is there a way to use voice, JMD? So on VS Code, I have an option to use my voice. Like you can see right here. Bottom right. I'll show you now. So on VS Code, I can press this button and then I can speak. I'm now speaking and using the voice, and you can see it's typing in the chat whatever I am busy speaking. So I want to know if Cursor has something like this. You see, I'm guessing it will be an extension that I have to do in Cursor. Yeah, Cursor has a mic button too. Okay. I'm guessing I'll need to enable it some way. I'll figure it out. When we go to smaller widths on the screen, then if the it did remove the, I see it did actually work. No, it didn't work. My bad. Let's delete that. Okay, when we go to small widths on the screen, then if the free media text doesn't fit on one line anymore, then let's remove the text and then you can bring the back when we go to a bigger width again. I've attached where this text can be found. Let's send that. Okay, so where do I get extensions? Don't know yet, but we'll figure it out. Okay, cursor settings. We'll go through that at some point. Thank you again, JMD. I super appreciate it. We're gonna have lots of fun. Lots and lots of fun. Okay, is there a way I can check my usage? I'm guessing on the website somewhere on my account. Yes, here it is, usage. Okay, so just a question. So we got the $20 plan, right? Do we get $20 of usage? Is that how it works? So we get to use it until we have basically reached the $20. Ian, I'm currently speaking into the VS Code prompt box and copy pasting the text into the live stream chat instead of typing it. Nice. Smart. Yeah, I must say, for someone like me who has a very thick Afrikaans accent, and who can't speak and pronounce some things clearly, the VS Code. Oh, there it is. Voice input. I see it now on cursor. But the VS Code one is very good in terms of actually understanding what I'm saying. It's really good at understanding my accent. Nice. This is cool. As soon as there is space again for the text to fit on one line, then put the back. For shits and giggles, can you queue stuff here? I don't know if that's queuing or tiering, but we'll figure it out as well. Isn't it cool? Where it shows me what is actually changing. Damn, it's finished already. That's so crazy. This is the fastest model I have ever used. Not even close. By far the fastest one I've ever used. Okay. It doesn't look like it's working. If you check the current select element, take screenshot. No. Capture area screenshot. Oops, not that. Capture area. If you check the current attachment, there is more than enough space for the to fit on one line. For to fit on one line, so it should have added back the already. Okay, let's send that through. So, in your opinion, JMD, if I were to code for like, let's say like vibe code the way I'm vibe coding right now, and let's say I do this for like 3-4 hours every day, do you think this would last a whole month? Or would you say it would not last a whole month? In your opinion? Ian, are you checking this out, man? Do you see how fast this Composer 2.5 model is? It's crazy fast. This current prompt is the longest it has taken so far. All the other ones were like instant, joop, done. It's so quick. I'm not getting it to work though. Capture. If you check the attachment, the text is now on 2 lines, but I still see the. If it's on 2 lines, then it should be hiding the text. Please fix it and make sure it works correctly. JMD, do you have stuff on your channel on YouTube? Then let me go check. There's nothing on your channel. You must make some videos. Show off your cool GitHub projects. Okay, the measurement was using theoretical width instead of detecting actual line wrapping. I'll fix it to check whether the slogan really wraps. Okay, yeah, that sounds like a good plan. Is there a way to submit bugs? Give feedback. There we go. Okay. Bug. When I set my zoom to like 80%, it resets it after. When I set my browser zoom to like 80%, it resets it after every AI prompt, but the zoom still says 80%, even though it's clearly not 80% anymore. But if I just zoom once in and out back to 80%, then it's all good again until my next prompt. Okay. Send. Okay. I guess we also submitted our first bug report to Cursor. Okay. Let's see if the issue is now fixed, right? So, it's working! It's working! Okay. Next up, we need to fix this as well. These surnames should never be off screen. It should adjust the columns depending on how much space is available. As an example, if 3 columns don't fit on the screen, then go to 2 columns. Let's send it. I usually use my regular browser, So I didn't realize built-in browser was a bit buggy. I see. So I almost exclusively use the built-in browser. And the VS Code one is honestly really good. That's really good. But this one doesn't seem bad. I do have two things I dislike so far. The first one is the bug with the zoom. Um, and then the second one is when I do select an element, right? It only selects the code for it. Whereas on VS Code, it selects the code, but it also selects a screenshot. Like it actually takes a screenshot of it as well. So automatically in the context, I have a screenshot and the code, whereas cursor only does the code, it seems. There also doesn't seem to be a way to share the current tab with the agent. So on VS Code, I can actually share this tab with the agent. I can also, so if I'm sharing the tab, then the agent can actually scroll on the page and even click on links. And even I like expand drop downs in that to actually test the page and make sure it is working. And also, you can even like attach a tab as context. Like let's say you don't want to share it, but you do want the agent to see it, then you can attach the entire page as context. So yeah, the whole browser integration in VS Code is really good. Not that this one is necessarily bad. Just from what I've seen so far, it's worse than VS Code, but I wouldn't say it's bad. Yeah, it just must just do some you must just do a bit extra work with it, but that's fine. I mean, I don't mind extra work. Let's refresh the page. We'll go smaller. Ah, there we go. That's looking good. Very nice. Very, very cool. Okay, maybe you can do add browser in cursor. So add, there's an option browser right here. Okay. What does this do? What does it mean to add browser? Okay, checking cursor docs for what add browser does. Auto web search. Yeah, that's fine. We've got agent mode, plan mode, debug, multitask, and ask. Okay, so I should have asked the ask mode actually. Okay, here we go. Add browser is a context mentioned in cursor chat. It tells the AI to use cursor's built-in browser when working on your request. Okay, perfect. So this is basically the same thing then. What it does, when you add browser, you're basically saying use the browser to help this. Okay, that can include things like opening a page, taking screenshots, inspecting what's on screen. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's basically the same thing. How it's different from file or code. Adds a live browser as context. Okay, perfect. You still need to use it. In recent cursor versions around 2.4 plus, browser is often optional. Agents can access the built-in browser without you mentioning it. Okay. Browser automation is enabled in settings, tools, and MCP browser automation. A browser tab is open and connected. You may see connected to browser tab in chat. Okay. Some users report that explicitly saying use the browser or browser used to make browser use more reliable. When it's useful, good for tasks like check if the mobile header looks right. Yeah, that's basically what I wanted you to use it for, exactly this. Tick the search box and verify it works. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. I see some text overlapping here. I think tomorrow we'll fix the mobile UI and do lots more, to be honest. Thanks to JMD. Okay. Okay, so let's check how much usage I've used so far. Okay, so far I've used just over $1. So JMD, I don't know if you did say it. So since we are paying for the $20 plan, does that mean we get usage up to $20? Is that how it works in Cursor? Okay. Now you get more than $20 from that page. Okay, cool. That's good to know. Okay, I can see here now in my Cursor dashboard, it says I've used 1% so far of the the usage that I have. There's a usage bar somewhere on the settings page for Composer 2.5. Yeah, so I think I found it. I'm like 1% right now. Oh, I also get API access. It looks like different usage for API. Additional usage beyond limits consumes on-demand spend. Your plan includes at least $20 of API usage. Okay, that's also interesting. We'll definitely have to play with the API. I wish the zoom worked. I hope they fixed the zoom thanks to my report. That's quite irritating. View license. Check for updates. About. Okay, I feel like I have to go to bed, but I want to work on this so bad now. I want to play with Composer more. So I think I might do like just a few more prompts. Okay, let's do this. Like so. I'll say here on mobile view, the footer is overlapping with text above it. Please make sure this can never happen. The footer should move down if there is something that's overlapping with it at the top. On top right with new browser, that might not be bugged. Wait. There's also an agents window. So we could try it. Okay, so I click on the agents window. Busy opening. Okay, so this looks very similar to the GitHub agents and the VS Code agents. Very cool. I will play with it. Definitely. Not immediately right now, but definitely something I'll do. I guess I have to pin the cursor now, right? So we're going to say pin to taskbar. There we go. Right next to VS Code. Thank you again, JMD. I have to make sure it doesn't like auto renew my subscription as well. Let's just see here how I can change it to not auto renew it. I have to figure that out at some point as well. Don't see where, but I'll get to it. For sure. I'm hopping off. Enjoy the night. Thank you very much, JMD. Have a good night. Cheerio. Ah, there we go. Now my footer is actually where it's supposed to be. Oh no, it's messed up my desktop UI. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. We definitely want to revert that. There we go. Ah, there we go. Okay, I see. There we go. How do I like... Hello? On mobile UI, the mini footer is not at the bottom. The mini footer should always be at the bottom of the page. I'll just send that. Let's see if we can fix it for us. How am I supposed to go take a bathroom break when the prompts are so quick? And we still have 13 viewers as well. Dang, tonight is a crazy good stream. Because the viewers have been constantly like around 10. And then we also got the good old lad JMD in the chat. Really a good night so far. This might be my favorite stream so far that we've had. Day 25. It is day 25, right? Where can I see it? Why can't I see my own video title? There, day 25, yes, yes. Day 25 officially the best stream so far. Okay, the footer is now at the bottom. Perfect, perfect. Let's do this one. The logo should be horizontally centered when on mobile UI. And then what else do we do? Okay, here we got something. On mobile UI, at the top of the attached section, it's overlapping with other things. Please add some top margins to make sure that it doesn't overlap with anything. Was the issue with this section? What's actually the issue here? Not sure. Will let composer figure it out? Okay. I need to also select this again. Or hold on. This attached section on mobile UI should be right above the footer at the bottom of the page. So on cursor, I don't know what will happen if I press this button. Will it cue the prompt or will it steer the current prompt? It doesn't tell me. So on VS Code, I'm able to choose whether I wanted to steer, cue, or something else. But here it doesn't really give me an option. Please remove the Android and iOS text. Then also make sure we got some good looking download buttons at the bottom for Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Microsoft Store, and Steam. They should all look similar and mostly the same except for the logo and text. Yeah, let's send that then as well. There we go. Looking very nice. See, we got 15 viewers. What's up, everybody? How's everyone doing? Do we have any vibe coders in the chat? Anyone building any cool projects? I would love to know. Feel free to share. Oh, it looks like my internet is also failing me a bit. Both YouTube and OBS is telling me that I'm lagging. Oh no! Okay, let's turn my bitrate a bit lower. That should help then. I make it. I've just made it a bit lower. Okay. Oh, that's looking not too bad. That's not the correct Steam or Google Play Store logos though, but it's not looking too bad, I must say. Okay. On desktop, the button should be in a 2-column grid. Hey Sean, I'm leaving the stream on, but I'm dozing off. Good night. Good night, Mr. Ian. I appreciate the watch time. I hope you sleep well. Bye bye. And hello there, Delphi fan as well. How are you doing? these prompts are finishing so quickly, but I will need to go to the bathroom. I'll be back. Delphi fan will keep the chat busy, I'm sure. I'll be right back. Hello. Let's have a look. YouTube and OBS is lying. Guys, let's turn to page 770. Anyone know what this page is about? Me, Rabbi. Yeah, I'm Loki. Well, if YouTube and OBS is lying, I'm gonna put my bit rate higher again. It's the page to pray. I remember from kindergarten song. No, that does not look nice. Okay, let's go here. The all four buttons should always be the same height and width, and all content must fit on them. If the content doesn't fit on the same, let's just send that through. Delphi fan, how are you feeling, by the way? Feeling any better? I like the size of the current chat, like the people who are joining the chat every day, because it's roughly the same people. Every now and then we see new people, but I see the same faces over and over again. So it's nice because you get to know the people and learn the people in the chat. Like Adstar who joined and like found Astro and Serenity, and then all three of them played CS together today, as an example. Or as an example, Vile. Vile haven't joined today yet, but Vile also plays CS. And so he also sent me a friend request on CS. So it's just nice seeing the same people over and over, and you get to know the people. So it's a nice size, the community. But I think once we start growing and the chat gets bigger, it will lose that personal touch. which is unfortunate. Okay, that's looking better. Say get it on for all 4 buttons. Or should we just say Google Play Store and Apple App Store instead of saying the full text? Don't know. We'll think about it. Please fix the logo for Google Play Store and Steam. The logos don't look correct. Hello, Rabbi. I came to pray. What page to open? I don't know what page. On page. My stomach growling because I'm on like page. No. $2,250 per day. Efficiency premium. Okay. Uses models that balance intelligence and cost efficiency, useful for everyday tasks, automatically switches models based on the task. Okay. Generous usage included. Okay, premium. Uses the most capable models available, recommended for complex tasks. Built at the model's API price. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, that's definitely not the Google Play Store logo though. Yeah, I'm not happy with these logos to be honest. That's not the Steam logo either. Yeah. How is it messing that up? That's definitely not the actual correct logos for the stores. I think I'm going to go watch a man sleeping in his car. That shit makes me snooze like a baby. Okay then. Enjoy it, I guess. Self camping. Nice. Uh, let's just have a look here, right? If we use bootstrap icons, will we have those icons? Because I could tell it to go use bootstrap icons. So do we have Steam? We got Steam. We got Google Play Store, right? Do we got Apple? I'm sure we do, yes. And do we have Microsoft? Okay, cool. I'm going to tell it to that. Use bootstrap icons. They have icons. Oh, but these are not colored icons. I need colored icons. It's fine. I think the AI can color it. Use bootstrap icons. They have icons for all 4 of them. But I need you to color in the icons. Okay, let's send that. And let's see what Composer 2.5 does. Okay, so I've used 3% currently of my usage. So it's definitely more expensive to use Composer 2.5 in Cursor than it is to use other models in GitHub Copilot. It seems, because usually a whole day of coding takes about 3-4% in GitHub Copilot. But of course, I do have quite a low tier for Cursor. Like, I guess that makes sense also. I'm sure if we get a higher tier, it would be better. Yeah, this quickly becomes very expensive. Add to allowed list. Is there a way to like always allow everything? There we go. There we go. Enable run everything. There we go. Every day we shuffling. Every day we shuffling. G. At some point we definitely have to get music working here. On the video, on the live stream. Then the fun starts. Okay, these use the Bootstrap icons font already loaded in your page. So the icons match the official set and stay sharp, okay? Is it done? Hey, there we go. That's looking much better. Okay, perfect. Okay. Uh, let's do this. When I hover on the buttons, don't underline the text on them. Also, I want you to write out the full names: Google Play Store and Apple App Store. The buttons can also stretch to the most left of the container. Let's set it. We should probably update this stream's description. And we can add something there like exploring Cursor and Composer 2.5. That's what we are doing. I've updated the video description to say that we are also playing with Cursor and Composer. I must say I am enjoying Cursor so far. It doesn't yet feel as good as VS Code, but I am very much enjoying it. But I need more time on it. Then I'll know. Then I'll know indeed. Okay, let's see if it worked. Okay. Okay. That's not fully working yet. Let's select this. For the buttons at the bottom. Uh, make sure the space on the left between the container and the buttons are the same as the right side. Okay. Okay, thinking. There we go. That's so quick. That's looking better as well. Very nice. Okay. Let's adjust this as well. So I'll select this bottom part. Go to mobile UI when on this size. Yeah, let's do that. There we go. That's looking better. Oh yeah, boy. That's looking clean as hell. Clean as hell indeed. Yeah, it's slowly starting to look nice on mobile and desktop now. Okay, I think I'm done for now, guys. We are 3 minutes away from 3 hours. So I will wait until 3 hours and then I'll end the video. But we are basically done for today. I think tomorrow we'll spend a lot of time playing with cursor and figuring it out and learning about it. We'll work on Genipedia, obviously. Make Genipedia better. I might need to make like a little bit of a list of things that we want to do. Because thanks to having cursor, a whole month of subscription, I think there's so much more we can do now. So I need to plan it. I actually need to plan it out a bit better. But I will do so. I'll plan it out off stream, and then next week is going to be a fun week, I think. That's the plan at least. So we now have the individual $20 per month plan. We just have it for 1 month though. But I think we on a subscription actually, so I need to figure out how to stop it from automatically renewing. Or maybe it just doesn't do it. I'm not sure. I don't know how it works just yet. I need to investigate that still. But maybe we keep it. I'm not 100% sure yet. No, I don't think we can. I don't think we can keep it yet. We have to go positive because we have to sell some apps. That's actually what we need to do. We need to finish some apps and make some money. That would be the plan. And then we can get a higher cursor model, we can get Codex, we can get Claude Code, we can get all those play toys and make some cool stuff happen. Okay, I'm about to end the stream. Thank you for joining, everyone. I appreciate it. It's always super fun streaming and having everyone join the chat. So thank you, appreciate it. Even those who don't join the chat, thank you for watching. So I will see you guys